Always forgetting things? Can't focus? 10 deficiencies draining your brain power. Fix it naturally. Always forgetting where you left your keys? Walk into a room and instantly forget why. Can't seem to focus on that project at work or school? You're not alone. And it's not just getting older or being distracted. It could be your body trying to tell you something important. Today, we're uncovering 10 common deficiencies draining your brain power, and most importantly, how to fix them naturally. Before we jump in, hit like and subscribe for more wellness tips. Now let's get your brain back in gear. Naturally. We'll cover sneaky nutrient shortfalls and lifestyle factors that secretly sap your memory and focus. Some might surprise you, so stick around for all 10. Ready? Let's dive into it. First up, the ultimate brain power thief: lack of sleep. After a bad night's sleep, you misplace your phone, forget appointments, and coffee can't save you. That's because sleep is fuel for your brain. During deep sleep, your brain's glymphatic system, like a nightly cleanup crew, flushes out waste products that cloud your thinking. Miss out on sleep and that brain junk lingers, leaving you foggy and mentally hazy. Sleep is also when memories consolidate. Imagine your brain like a library. Sleep is when it files the day's experiences onto the right shelves. Skip sleep, and those memories stay scattered. How to fix it naturally? Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Set a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a calming bedtime routine. Dim lights, read a book, avoid screens an hour before bed. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet. Prioritizing sleep can reset your brain, wiping away fog and restoring clarity. Always forgetting things? Start by checking your sleep habits. Next brain drainer: dehydration. Your brain is 73% water. Even a 2% drop can mess with memory and focus. That afternoon slump or fuzzy thinking after a dry day. That's your brain struggling like a wilting plant. Signs of dehydration: thirst, dry mouth, fatigue, dizziness, and brain fog. Modern life, coffee, dry offices, busy days, dehydrates us more than we realize. How to fix it naturally? Drink water regularly. Flavor it with lemon, berries, or mint if plain water bores you. Eat water-rich foods like watermelon to cucumbers and oranges. Watch your urine color. Pale means good. Dark means drink more. Often drinking water refreshes your mind within minutes. Don't let dehydration secretly drain your focus. Sip smart. Low vitamin D can make you mentally cloudy. It's not just for bones. Your brain has vitamin D receptors everywhere. Low vitamin D is linked to depression and cognitive fog. It's especially common in winter or for people indoors a lot. How to fix it naturally? Get some sunshine by exposing your skin for 10 to 20 minutes a few times a week. Eat foods rich in vitamin D, like salmon, sardines, egg yolks, UV-exposed mushrooms, and fortified milk or juice. Boosting vitamin D naturally can improve mood and sharpen thinking. Sometimes a little sunshine is the best brain fog banisher. Vitamin B12 is a brain protector. It helps maintain the myelin sheath around nerves, vital for memory and mental energy. Deficiency symptoms include memory lapses, brain fog, and fatigue. Vegetarians, vegans, and older adults are especially at risk. Now, how to fix it naturally? First, eat foods rich in B12, like seafood, lean meats, eggs, and dairy. For vegetarians and vegans, it's important to use fortified cereals, plant milks, and nutritional yeast. Boosting B12 can dramatically restore memory and mental clarity. Think of it as brain fuel you don't want to run low on. Iron carries oxygen to your brain. Low iron means low oxygen, which leads to foggy thinking, fatigue, and forgetfulness. This is especially common in women of childbearing age, vegetarians, frequent blood donors, and those with poor diets. How to fix it naturally? Eat heme iron foods like beef, chicken, clams, and sardines. Also, Eat plant iron foods such as lentils, spinach and beans, and tofu. But make sure to pair them with vitamin C for better absorption. Think lemon, bell peppers, and strawberries. Avoid coffee and tea during iron-rich meals as they block absorption. Feeling sharper after eating iron-rich foods? That's your brain getting the oxygen it craves. Your brain is 60% fat, and DHA and omega-3 fat is key for memory, learning, and mood. Low omega-3 means sluggish thinking, brain fog, and a low mood. Modern diets are too high in omega-6 and not enough omega-3. How to fix it naturally? Eat oily fish like salmon or sardines, mackerel, and tuna a few times per week. For plant options, try flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts and hemp seeds. Feed your brain these healthy fats and watch memory and focus soar. Magnesium helps calm your nerves, regulate neurotransmitters and supports memory. Deficiency symptoms include anxiety, poor focus, brain fog, and difficulty sleeping. Stress itself drains magnesium, creating a vicious cycle. How to fix it naturally? Eat magnesium-rich foods like spinach, kale, eat almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, black beans, avocado, and even dark chocolate. Taking Epsom salt baths can also help, as magnesium absorbs through the skin. Boosting magnesium helps your brain chill and concentrate naturally. Choline is needed to make acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter crucial for memory and learning. Most adults don't get enough. Symptoms of deficiency include memory problems, losing your train of thought, and slower recall. How to fix it naturally? Eat eggs, especially the yolks. Other sources include beef, chicken, cod, salmon, tofu, soybeans, peanuts, broccoli, and cauliflower. Fix your choline levels and strengthen your brain's communication lines. Movement is brain fertilizer. Exercise boosts blood flow, oxygen, and releases BDNF, a growth factor that strengthens neurons. A sedentary life equals sluggish thinking, poor memory, and faster brain aging. How to fix it naturally? Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly. That's about 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Break up sitting, stand, stretch, and walk every hour. Moving regularly can lift the afternoon fog and supercharge your memory. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels high, shrinking your hippocampus, which is your memory center. Stress equals memory glitches, brain fog, and poor sleep. How to fix it naturally? Meditation or deep breathing, even just 5 to 10 minutes. Nature walks, yoga, hobbies, and laughter. Social connection with friends or pets. And unplugging from screens daily. Manage stress to clear brain fog and protect your memory. We've journeyed through 10 key deficiencies that can drain your brain power, from lack of sleep and hydration to missing nutrients like vitamin D, B12, iron, omega-3, magnesium, and choline, and lifestyle factors like exercise and stress management. The common theme: your brain needs balance and care. When it doesn't get enough rest, nourishment, or relief, it struggles. Memory slips, focus wavers, and you feel off your game. The exciting part: all of these deficiencies can be improved naturally. You now have a toolkit of simple natural fixes: a good night's sleep, a tall glass of water, a little sunshine, nutrient-packed meals, daily movement, and time for relaxation. None of these are exotic cures. They're everyday habits that work wonders when done consistently. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 changes, maybe set a bedtime, add an extra glass of water, or take a walk after lunch. Picture yourself a few weeks from now, sleeping better, feeling energized, thinking clearly, and recalling information easily. Those foggy, forgetful moments will be fewer and farther between. You'll feel sharper, steadier, and more in control of your mind. Your brain is incredibly resilient. Give it what it needs, and it will bounce back with better clarity, memory, and concentration. Next time you feel scattered or foggy, check in on these 10 areas. They are your natural roadmap to reclaim your brain power. Thank you so much for watching. If you find these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. We all know a friend who's always misplacing their glasses, right? And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on living your healthiest, happiest life. Stay sharp, stay healthy, and remember, taking care of your body is taking care of your brain. Here's to a clearer, more focused you, naturally. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice.